In this video, we are going to explain about brain tumor detection via EEG signals. Introduction. Brain tumor refers to an abnormal growth of cells in the brain or skull, which can be either cancerous or non-cancerous. These tumors can interfere with the normal brain function and potentially cause severe health complications. Electroencephalogram, which is EEG, is a diagnostic technique that measures and records the electrical activity of the brain through electrodes placed on the scalp. EEG is widely utilized in the assessment and detection of the brain tumor. EEG recording provides the valuable information about the electrical patterns and abnormalities in the brain activity, helping physicians identify potential signs of tumor presence. Objective. The objective of this project is to evaluate the performance of various machine learning algorithms, including K-nearest neighbor and KNN with principal component analysis, artificial neural network with principal component analysis, support vector machine, decision tree for brain tumor detection. The EEG dataset sourced from the UCI machine learning repository is used for the evaluation. The objective is to provide insights to the optimal algorithm of EEG data analysis and contributing to improve diagnostic accuracy and understanding the brain activity. Requirements of the project are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above are required. Python IDEL of 3.7 version is required as a software requirement. Methodology. We have designed few modules for execution of the project. In first module, which is upload EEG dataset, here we will be uploading the EEG dataset for application purpose. Next, run KNN and KNN with PCA. In this module, we will be uploading the EEG dataset, and for this dataset, we will be applying the KNN algorithm and KNN with PCA. Similarly, we will run the all other algorithms, which are ANN with PCA, SVM and decision tree. The fourth module, which is enhancement of ANN and KNN. Here we will be measuring the sensitivity and specificity of these two algorithms, which are ANN and KNN. Last module, which is accuracy comparison graph. In this module, we will be comparing the accuracy graphs of the all algorithms, which are KNN, KNN with PCA, ANN with PCA, SVM and decision tree. Execution. For execution of the project, first open the code folder. This is the code folder. So this is the dataset file, and this is the dataset for which we are going to build the model. So this is the main code file which contains the Python script in it, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we have created a Windows bat file to execute the project. So double click on it for execution. This is the graphical user interface of this project to interact with the program. So first step is to upload the EEG dataset. So click on the button upload EEG dataset. Select the EEG dataset, click on open. Here the dataset is uploaded. Next we will be running KNN and KNN with PCA. After running the algorithm, KNN's accuracy is this and KNN with PCA algorithm is this. Next we will be running ANN with PCA. So click on the button run ANN with PCA. Here the accuracy is in the following way of the ANN with PCA algorithm. Next click on the button on enhancement of ANN and KNN. Here we have the sensitivity and specificity. Sensitivity refers to, it is a metric that evaluates a model ability to predict true positives of each available category. It is also called as precision. Specificity, it refers to the ratio of true negative to all negative outcomes. It is also called as recall. So these are the sensitivity and specificity values of KNN algorithm, KNN with PCA algorithm, ANN with PCA algorithm. Next, we will be running the SVM and decision tree algorithm. So here we got the accuracy of SVM algorithm and decision tree algorithm. Next we will be comparing the accuracy graphs. On x-axis we can observe that the algorithm names are represented, and on y-axis the accuracy scores are represented. First algorithm is KNN, and second is KNN with PCA, third is ANN with PCA, fourth is SVM, and fifth is decision tree. Among all the algorithms, ANN with PCA is performing well with the high accuracy. So close this graph, close this tab. Conclusion: the project evaluated machine learning algorithms including KNN, KNN with PCA, ANN with PCA, support vector machine, and decision tree for the brain tumor detection using EEG signals. ANN with PCA performed well and achieved high accuracy in predicting brain tumor disease. The project provides insights to the optimal algorithm for EEG data analysis, contributing to improved diagnostic accuracy and understanding of brain activity. Utilizing the machine learning, particularly ANN with PCA, can aid in accurate prediction and early detection of brain tumors, leading to better treatment inventories and improved patient outcomes.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.